Welcome everyone, Mr. Allen here. Just going to run through a quick review of what we saw in class when we were first looking at trig and right triangles. So first, just a little bit of calculator work. If you have an angle given to you, sine 30, sine 45, you know the numeric value of the angle, then it's just a matter of using the calculator straight away. Again, some calculators work kind of in reverse. You might press 30 sine, or most these days sine 30, close your brackets, and continue. So you need to recognize which type of calculator you have. In order to do that, you can kind of practice with these if you don't remember. Going the other way then, if we know that a 60-degree angle gives us a cosine ratio of 0.5, we should be able to go the opposite way as well. And the key here is to remember our mantra: to find the angle, use the inverse. So this means in order to find the angle, you're going to use the inverse of tan or sine or cos, whichever one's appropriate. Again, two different methods that you might have to use depending on the calculator you have. If you had a calculator where you input the angle first, you pressed 30 sine, then you will use, you'll put in the ratio value, so the 1, the 0.707, then you'll press your shift, second function, or inverse, that key up in the upper left corner, and then your sine, cos, or tan to get the inverse. In the sort of the more popular type of calculator where you would press sine 30 straight away, you'll press shift, second function, or inverse, then your sine, cos, or tan, so sort of in the order you'd expect to, inverse, sine, type in the number 1, 0.7071, 0.866, whichever one it is, and hit enter. Okay, so again, these are the values you should be getting doing this calculation. And then I guess the last thing is to remember your calculator must be in degrees for this to work.